Hi everybody, today I am going to be planning out the week of Monday, July 3rd through the July 9th, 2023 in my Makselife Planner Vertical. That was a sentence in all sorts of the wrong order, but whatever. I got my nails done. I got green because it's summertime and I decided I just wanted to do pen only, but do like a bright, like this kind of green. Smiled liner is the citrus green, and then I've got the kiwi dot pen. I've also got my Tombow. I've had to use this a few times today for some other things, so I'm keeping it nearby, my correction tape, and then my Le Pen marker. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to keep things very simple this week because it's the start of the new quarter. I have a lot of work to do. I'm taking 3 days off this week because I'm going to take most of the 4th off just because Jesse's off, and so we're going to try and do something fun, as well as Sunday off because we are going to our like little overnight for our anniversary. Plus my kids are going out of town on the 8th, and so I'm taking that day off as well. So it's a lot of random stuff. Plus it's a new quarter. Like I said, it's a new month. The new personal quarter planning will be going up on Wednesday, but last week was my work planning. So I'm just going to make a little note there. All right, so let's get started. First and foremost, I'm gonna get my little to-do list in to do. And if you want to know about like my personal goals and why I'm only doing a few habits this month, you can check that video out on Wednesday. We'll talk more about it then. I'm only doing, I believe, 3 habits. Yes, checking my plants. And I'm actually going to break that into 2 this week. Plants inside and then green stock. Ride the Peloton. And the idea is not that I want to do it every single day, but I just want to track what days I happen to get on it. Cool. And then I'm going to draw in my little line up top for, maybe I'm going to do it with this green end. Yeah, let's do that. Let's be fancy. But I don't think I'm going to use my ruler because every time I try to use my ruler, I regret it. This is for my like number 1 item of the day. That was a relatively straight line. The key is to keep your arm moving as opposed to your wrist. I'm going to quickly just put in some lines based on when people are going to be doing stuff. So this line is for when the kids are out of town, visiting my sister in Oregon. And then on Wednesday, Jesse is going to go into the office. Although Jesse is off on Tuesday, so I don't know if he's off on Monday or not. I wonder. I'm going to dot in for my top item of the day. Note that this green is a little darker than the citrus green, but of all of my dot pens, this is the closest I've got to a good match. And I didn't want to go with a duller green. I really wanted to be like kablam, like my nails. I'm really excited right now. I'm going to be real with you. I was talking to my sister about some plans we were making for when she's in town in August. And if I can pull some of this off, trying to go to like a water slides park. If I can pull this off, then I'm going to be so happy. Because I love going to water parks. Even if all I do is hang out in the lazy river and like at the wave pool. I love water slides parks. I'm going to just put in some blocks for dialysis. I'm going to put them down. Well, yeah, just do it here. Feel a little bit easier to read with the black pen than it was when I did my rainbow week and I was writing with the same color pen on top of the blocks. Holy shit. So yeah, I'm in a very great, most excellent of moods. And I think part of the reason is that like Sunny just got back from their trip and I haven't seen them in over a week. And you know, I don't know what I'm going to do one day when I'm an empty nester. Holy shit. On top of that, my mother-in-law is coming to town, and Jess and I are going on our anniversary little getaway this weekend. Now, we can't go for like I would love to go to like the Bahamas or something for a week, since we never even got a honeymoon. But that's not really feasible, both with our schedules and with dialysis. Dialysis being the big piece. Now, at some point, I will be able to travel like that, but it's a lot of extra planning, and on top of that, neither Jess nor I is really ready to start delving into that yet. It's one of those like you can do it, but you're gonna want to work your way into it, especially if you're as resistant to changes in your schedule as Jesse and I are. I am going to actually put effluent line on Friday when I normally do it on Sundays, because Sunday we are going after dialysis and I just don't want to worry about it then. But we need to make sure to do dialysis on Sunday and then right when we get back, because I'm going to be gone just long enough to be like, okay, I need to stay on top of my dialysis and shit. That's what happens when you do it at home. You can manage your own schedule, but you also have to manage your own schedule. My schedule this week is actually fairly light, in part because of having Tuesday off. I am not doing any live streams for Patreon or YouTube this week, both on Sunday and on Tuesday, because of our trip and because of taking Tuesday off, and to sort of kickstart the holiday. Like this week, I'm going to want to get all of my like fuckery flowers scanned, and I'm going to be doing a lot of work this week on the days I'm not taking off. So that's something to keep in mind when I am planning my week. I'm not going to put my work plans in here. That is something I'm dabbling with the idea of, but I will be working with my Sprouted planner, and I will do a plan with me on that very soon. And it will not be a very deep and detailed plan with me because I'm not really sure what the hell I'm doing yet. All right. So just to get in, I only have a handful of actual events this week. All of the events I have on Wednesday, RJ has a dentist appointment. It's just a cleaning. It shouldn't be that long, but I have to go in with him because he is a minor, and our dentist does not let me just drop him off even though he's 17, which makes me a little bit of a sad panda. It's like, can I just go? It's down the street from our house. He could walk home. The other events that I have this week, on Saturday, first thing in the morning, very first thing in the morning, I need to put in our reservation for Sushi Den, which is the really nice sushi restaurant in town. Because they make their reservations 3 months out or 3 weeks out, and we need 5 people. I can't do it online. I have to like send the reservation in manually. And so this is the 3 weeks out from the date we want. So I'm gonna let that dry for a second. But while that's drying, the other thing I want to get done probably on Wednesday, I'll put this on my top list, is kids' bags situation. I didn't buy bags when I booked their flights. Now, normally we do Southwest, where you don't have to worry about buying bags at like for carry-on or for checking bags, because you get them for free with Southwest. However, the kids are flying United because they are going like the airport outside of Bend in Redmond is very small and only has direct flights from a few places with a few airlines, and that's why to get from Denver to Bend, you have to fly United. And so I don't want to buy the bags ahead of time if they're going to check. But if they're not going to check, then I need to know and get the bags taken care of ahead of time. So I'm putting that there. This is on my goals to do for the week. This is on my Google Calendar. The Sushi Den reservation. It's everywhere because I want to make sure to get it. Okay. And then on Sunday, the kids are flying out. I'll just put the times in a little bit, which means that one thing I'd like to do with the kids, make sure the kids do on Friday evening, is pack. So I'm going to just draw in, do some quick lettering for that. Not just the kids either. Jesse and I as well. We all need to pack. And it'll just be easier to get it done. I mean, you could do it on Saturday. I'd like to go to the farmer's market on Saturday. Although that seems kind of silly because pack. I'll just put that on Friday, make that regular. And then Sunday, our reservation information, which we'll just do here, is put an arrow. Not quite long enough to write park. Thing to do on Sunday or Saturday, though, is to prep Layla, like her boarding stuff. Because we're going to board Layla so that we're having somebody keep an eye on the house and the cats while we're gone, but it's just going to be a lot better for Layla if she just goes to her daycare for boarding. She loves her daycare, so it's no big deal. But that's what I got to do on Monday, is reserve daycare. Basically, as I'm planning this out, reserve daycare, we have the bag situation, prep Layla's boarding, pack all of us, Sunny and RJ's flight, and then hotel information. I'm just going to do this. Hotel. I really don't like that, but that's okay. It does have the extreme look that I love about my nails. I just don't really like it all that much. Okay, hotel info's in there. I think that's everything off of my calendar that needs to get put into here for the week. So it's a fairly light week so far, but now I've got stuff here. So we got the plants on there already. Makselife daily check-ins and my weekly. So I'll do that on the weekly stuff. HB90 plus Makselife weekly. While I'm on dialysis on Sunday. So that one is on here. Weekly. And then doing my Makselife check-in. I could put it on here, but I'm not going to. Pick weekend for Saturday dialysis. That is something I actually just want to have a conversation with Jessie on. And then you'll learn more about that in Wednesday's video. So I'm going to definitely put that on Monday. Okay, Saturday, Sunday off, and the 4th off. I'm just going to... I don't usually put this in ahead of time, but because I'm specifically taking these days off, it's important to know to get the rest of my work done. Kids trips in here, anniversary trips in there. I'm not doing the brand plus brand stuff in here because it's currently in my Notion. Make Sushi Den reservation is on there. Date with Sunny and call my sisters. So ideally, I want to go out with Sunny to go see Barbie. Let me look at the times. Is maybe on the 4th. That might be fun to do. I was going to go try and see the Barbie movie with Sunny this week. It turns out it doesn't actually come out till the end of the month. I didn't realize that. So then into the Spider-Verse. Maybe we'll do that as a family. The Spider-Man movie. Or The Little Mermaid. Okay, one way or the other, I'm going to go to the movies with at least Sunny, if not the whole fam, on the 4th of July. I think is going to be really fun. I hate this even more. But I did it once, which means I want to do it at least more than once to make it kind of have like, what's what I'm looking for? Symmetry? Maybe I will hate it less the more I do it. I actually love this method, like using a highlighter or like a thick marker. I just don't like that I'm having to play like such hardcore lettering chicken with it. Movie time. Okay, it's on here. And then call my sisters. Definitely, I'm going to do that on Saturday. Put it right below the flight because I'll probably call Amy when they're out. Go swimming. When am I going to do that? I would love to do that. I want to like figure out, get a day pass to one of the local pools and see if that's where I want to go swimming. Friday maybe is going to be my good day. Friday might be my good day. I know my kind of energy levels throughout the week, and I think that that might be a good time to go and check it out and see what's the what. Okay, so making a plan for the church weekend. If we pick the Saturday on Monday, then we're going to do the church weekend. This actually should be above movie time. But I don't really have the opportunity to chat with Jesse about certain things when I'm on dialysis if it's a work day because he's busy working, right? And I don't want to use... I would like to just save anything I need to chat with him about for times when he's not like distracted by work. But since he's going to be off on Tuesday, definitely we can make those plans. If he's also off on Monday, we could probably make those plans then. But I'll be working on dialysis on Monday. Whoops. Okay. And then no buys on there. Pantry inventory is definitely something I want to do whilst I am on dialysis. So what I'll probably do on Saturday, because I won't grocery shop because we're gonna be out of town overnight and the kids are gonna be gone, is pantry inventory. And I'm gonna write it down, make a list, and then what I'll do is on dialysis on Sunday, I will start entering it in. I can lose lettering chicken fucking again? No. Pantry inventory. And then I'm going to put over here... Wait, am I going to have to make a sack on Sunday? Probably not. Making a sack day. So Thursday, Friday. Sunday, Monday. Make sack. Make Sack. So I'm going to put it down here and say enter inventory on. So if I do the actual physical inventory of the pantry on Saturday, I can enter it into Notion on Sunday. And again, check out my personal planning for the quarter video this Wednesday to find out more about that. And then print my fuckery flowers and hang the living room prints. I got to figure out when they're showing up. I know they shipped, but sometimes things ship and then they say they're shipped, but they don't actually ship. Do you know what I'm saying? I hate that. It's one of the things I hate the fucking most about like Etsy shops and other online shops. Like I get it if you're trying to like figure out a way to keep track of everything you're doing. But when you print a fucking mailing label and it sits there for 3 weeks before they mail something, but tells you got shipped 3 weeks previous, I hate that. Don't do that. God, that sucks. They're going to be here Friday, so I should be able to do this on Tuesday. Even if we do go to the movies, I should still be able to get those prints hung up. I just fucking bleed through. Living room prints. And then I will print the fuckery flowers that I need on Thursday when I'm working. Because by then, hopefully, I will be done scanning and shit, and I can just run the printer while I'm doing other things. I'm going to let that dry for a second. So down here, I'm just going to continue to let the my dinners get put in. As for other to-dos for the week, we need to check back in with our contractor to double check when he's coming to look at the siding. It's definitely something that needs to get done this week. And then I need to pay a bill. Only the one bill though, no 2 bills. This is also payday for Jesse. I am not going to meal plan because I don't want to do that till I get back, and I'm going to be taking pantry inventory. I think our trash day is going to be thrown off by a day because of the holiday. Let me double check. It's always nice. You have apps to tell you everything, but it's nice to have all the information in one spot. It's going to be trash and recycling, but they're both going to be on Friday. So I'll just do this. I like having like these little kind of blobs of color. It's just like kablam. Oh, I should put these dots in, huh? Trash plus recycling on Friday instead of Thursday. Definitely something to keep an eye on because of the day off. I'm like, do I need anything else I need to plan out for this week? It's a lot of work. It's going to be a lot of work, some time off, and I don't even know if I'm going to try and go to the farmer's market. Oh, sorry. I don't even know if I'm going to try and go to the farmer's market on Saturday or not. I'd love to, but at the same time, like, I don't want to bring extra food in. That's just going to go bad because it's perishable. And I'm going to be busy getting the kids ready to go, getting us ready to go, getting Layla ready to go, getting our house ready for our house sitter. I think so far this is, I mean, it's not a lot, but like some weeks it's just like this. And maybe that's one of the reasons. This could have been a good week for stickers because I would have had a lot more room to just fill up with random stickers, but fuck it. I don't want to. So yeah, this is where I'm going to leave it for right now. I will post a picture of it somewhere when I'm done with it. You can see here, like, so here is like what this week is now looking like after my last week's plan with me. The last week I did like this. Like, here you go. Some examples. Anyway, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you are in the U.S. and you do things for the 4th of July, are you doing anything? Let me know in the comments. I'm very ambivalent about the 4th of July. I'm very ambivalent. Like, but Jesse has it off, so if he's gonna have it off, I'm gonna take it off with him after dialysis, of course, and go to the movies or something with the kids. Go beat the heat. Let me know if you're doing anything fun this next week, or if not fun, something you're doing anyway. Like, it could be boring. I don't give a shit. Let me know. Tell me about your life. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, friends. Peace.